Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete your Bybit account permanently. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up your Bybit application and simply log into your account. Now, once we have logged in, you're just going to need to click on Profile on the top left corner of your screen. Once you click there, you're just going to need to click on this Security, which is on the left of your screen. So simply click on it and click on this account settings on the bottom of your screen. And there you have it. We have an option of deactivate an account, so simply click on it. And this is going to open up a new page where, as you can see, you're just going to need to read the terms and conditions and agree to all the details. And make sure to click on Understood and click on this Deactivate this account. Make sure to read everything and make sure to withdraw your funds before deactivating your account. So that's basically how you can delete your Bybit account permanently. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.